Welcome back. Rob here. We're just about to show you how we did our little camper trailer. There's no welding, nothing like that, just a few nuts and bolts to put together. No great genius invention either. It's just reducing the height from the top of the car, top of the vehicle, down onto the top of a trailer. Put together, pretty simple. Put the drawers in first, then put the roof on. That's about it. A few little things, the annex bolts, things like that. It's all done deal. Anyway, I was going to show you it out in the field, up in the bush, but it's too hot here, and Easter's come around the corner, so it'll be packed. So I'll show you it all again around about March, hopefully. And in between then, we'll be going up and drilling up. In between then, I'll show you how I did it. Here it is. Before I do that, I'll show you a few of the other camper vans that we had, and then this kind of explains why we went into the camper trailer side of things. So have a look at the old ones. It only takes a minute, and then you'll see how we did the new one and compare one to the other. Here we go. In 2020, right in the middle of COVID, we got our little Suzuki APV. What a little road rocket this was, but a little bit small for camping. Next came our Hilux Surf. Now this thing could go anywhere, but a bit heavy on the juice and a bit cramped in the back. The next car we converted into a camper was the Alphard. Very comfortable and roomy to sleep in, and driving was an absolute breeze. We went on quite a few trips in this one, and we still miss it. In 2024, we got ourselves another Hilux camper. Only this one was a lot bigger. Too big for us actually, and we didn't use it as much as we thought we would. Late 2025 brought a few upheavals. We thought our camping days were over, but within a few months we both began to miss camping and going down south. So I come up with an idea where we could downscale and still go away. The camper trailer idea was born, and I'll show you what we did and how much it costs. We've never ever had a problem with them. After detaching from the side of the trailer, we slip the aluminium awning poles into the brackets, attach the awning and raise it to the height we want. Another handy feature was this little spirit level to check when setting up. Compared to the other campers we've had, we don't have the big rego or the big insurance or even getting it serviced every 6 months, even if you don't use it. Even if you don't use it much at all during a year, you've still got a lot of money to pay out. So, here we go. We'll have a look at some of these prices. So the first one was the John Pappas trailer, which came in about $1,900. Sliding drawers, 458. Rooftop tent, come in about $1,200, I guess. Dune awning, $99. Bunnings step ladder, which was about $46. Steel, nuts, bolts, brackets, etc. was about $200, including band-aids. So the total was $3,898. But actually, a couple of those big things I had home delivered, so it's probably closer to $3,600. We'll leave it at that. It only weighs about 350 kilos before we put our clothes in, and knives and forks and plates and pots and pans. So either way, you're only looking at, say, 360, 370 kilos. That's only like carrying 3 or 4 blokes in the back of the car. Now, you can build a camper much stronger than ours, much bigger, have everything plugged in, get all the electrical stuff in, bring everything from the house that plugs in. But we just want to keep it simple. Lightweight, easy to tow, not too high off the ground, and keep it simple. The Australian bush only exists one place in the world. When we go camping, we just want to go enjoy it. We don't want to sit and watch TV or make coffee in a big coffee maker or have some sort of air conditioning, anything like that. Just enjoy it. Keep it simple. Also, a lot of blocks of land in Perth these days are probably too small to store a caravan or a big camper trailer or a big campervan, great big one. This small solution to our camping is probably ideal for us, and it could be for a lot of people. There's a lot of potential with what we've done here, and we can iron out a few things as they come up. But we're looking forward to it. So when we get it all together, we'll come back and we'll show you how it looks in the field, as it were, with the tables and the chairs and everything around it, how much room we've actually got. See what kind of sleep we get. See what it's like on the fuel, all those sort of things. See what it's like reversing. We'll see how we go. So thanks for joining us. And hopefully we're giving you a little food for thought, and we'll see you again soon in our next one. Bye for now.